Local news for Friday the 4th of May. Hammond's Wellington Tours has been bought by Country Village Heaven Greytown Tours, which was established last year to bring visitors to Greytown from Wellington. Manager Robin Corbett is excited about adding the tour to the business's portfolio. Hammond's Wellington Tours is part of Transit Tours now, with the head office based, of course, in Masterton. Masterton is on the list of places to visit for National leader Simon Bridges. The opposition leader has begun a comprehensive tour of New Zealand aimed at hearing from Kiwis increasingly concerned by the Ardern Peters government. He'll be hosting a public meeting on the 19th at the Masterton Club. And the Farriers Wairarapa Bush head to Wellington tomorrow for their annual clash against Honowhenua Kapiti. Cyrus Baker at second 5'8" will captain the side, with kick-off at 5:05, the curtain raiser to the Hurricanes Lions Super Rugby match. For local news and sport on International Star Wars Day, may the 4th be with you. I'm Brent Gare.